My dear Sagittarius, welcome back. On Monday, for those who are single, this week might be a great time to mingle. There may be a strong possibility of fostering a relationship with someone of the opposite sex. If things go according to your wishes, you might even experience some intimate moments with your loved one. A great time for lovers in general. Family people may experience a pleasant and joyous atmosphere back at home. People in steady relationships may need to be careful about their opinions and may be wary of being judgmental about their partner. Being a good listener and hearing out your partner's point of view may go a long way in cementing your relationship. On Tuesday, actually any delays you experience is an opportunity to determine if your goal is aligned with the rest of your life and to make adjustments as needed. If romance is your target, taking a slow and thoughtful approach will help make love bloom. If it's meant to be. If romance is your target, taking a slow and thoughtful approach will help make love bloom if it's meant to be. Friday is your best time for romance. This weekend, expect a breakthrough as the sun merges with enlightening Uranus. On Wednesday, a new moon in your sign on Wednesday is a glorious invitation for the universe to press the reset button on your life in every way possible. When it comes to love and relationships, it will be extraordinary even if it's a little uncomfortable. This new moon is closely linked to Uranus, the planet of sudden change now also is in your sign. You are certain of one thing, the way you've been approaching how to get your physical and material needs met has got to change. Why? Because you're finally awake. On Thursday, the Sun squares off with Saturn, making everyone more aware of limitations and responsibilities rather than matters of pleasure. When it comes to romance, there might be a stiff upper lip approach, and it might be all too easy to deny yourself that you want, since you'll be more focused on duties and obligations. On Friday, fortunately, a new moon in Taurus will give everyone permission to indulge in sensual delights. Your needs are real and must be met, and Taurus makes no apologies about this reality. Go get yours. On Saturday, intense thoughts about love might start to cause you more harm than good thanks to Pluto turning retrograde on the same day that Mercury squares it. The desire to have things your way in love might lead you to mentally manipulative tactics that you won't exactly be proud of. On Sunday, the Sun-Saturn square at the beginning of the week makes you ask yourself if you're working hard enough for what you want, and if it's all worth it in the end. You're the only one who can answer those questions, my dear. There's also the moon in your steady sign midweek, slowing down the energy and giving you time to consider all your options. You might miss out on a romantic opportunity, but you'd rather be sure than quick. Regenerative Pluto goes retrograde over the weekend, giving you a chance to do some real inner work. Find a quiet place to reflect on your love life where you won't experience any interruptions.
My dear Sagittarius, welcome back. On Monday, you will be enjoying some financial breakthroughs this month. The stroke of good luck will continue all throughout the month. It's just a persecution of all the good things that you are sure to make their way to you. Sun can give you unexpected tax issues, so manage all your financial accounts and transactions properly. Health of father needs attention, and otherwise expenses on the same time are likely to happen as per finance and wealth predictions. On Tuesday, Jupiter will govern your house on the 11th house of gain. Jupiter will bless you with gains and thus your finances would improve. Friends would be helpful in financial matters related to business. Jupiter will also aspect the 7th house of business. This aspect is likely to increase your spending. Okay, and on Wednesday, news about financial gain may make you and your loved ones happy. This is a sense that things are positively running and turning around for you. You are pleasingly presentable. Go out and meet new people. New opportunities will sprout from your associations and which will improve beneficial in the long run. You may bring a change in your house either structurally or family-wise. And by the end of the week on Thursday, you are a bit different now as fun and romance are on your mind. Contrary to your thoughts of work hovering around you as always, now you want a change. But it is okay, take a day off from your work and enjoy your day. Do not worry much since you know it well when you have to draw the line. Management at the workplace is pretty impressed with your work and you may get a promotion. And on Friday, don't plant any seeds at this time. Instead, you should wait until everything is more in your favor. In the meanwhile, gather information so it is at your disposal. When the time is right, you get your hands in the soil and create something new. Things are going well for you, so why shouldn't they be? Don't take your good fortune for granted now, but instead you should continue to build on it. You have worked to get this far all your life by burning the midnight oil, and now it's time to reap the rewards. And moving on to Saturday, it's a time when you may hone your skills. You may get new advice from somebody. With your own capabilities, you will be able to handle meetings very well. You may get inspired to launch a new and ambitious project. You will be pleased the way you carry out your responsibilities. You work long hours and are utterly absorbed, even if it distracts you from your personal life. And finally, last day, Sunday, the moon returns for what should be its only visit to your work sector for the year, while Venus is here. While this is the moon's first encounter with any planet here this year, and this will bring the first real sense that things are moving, this is just the first of 4 encounters. This gives you time to savor the inside, and this will give you a chance to access the next few days in a happy manner.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.